On his way to Washington, D.C. for a summit with U.S. President Obama, Xi Jinping, the Chinese president, is stopping over in Seattle. There he will meet with some of the biggest names in corporate America: Warren Buffett, Tim Cook of Apple, Indra Nooyi of Pepsi, and others. And those meetings will be every bit as important, if not more important, than the ones he holds in the White House. That's because business is traditionally the pillar of the US-China relationship. Business tends to flourish even when other aspects of the relationship, political, military, security, are in trouble, as they are now in disputes that we're seeing over Chinese island building in the South China Sea. That support of the relationship is now starting to crumble. Xi Jinping is not the president that he was advertised to be, at least when it comes to business. When he was running coastal provinces in China, he had a formidable reputation as being pro-market, pro-private enterprise. As president, he's been pursuing a different kind of agenda. Politics are more important than economics. His priority is to save the Communist Party, and he's doing that with an anti-corruption campaign that's absorbed a lot of his energies. And it's been accompanied by a harsh, assertive brand of nationalism. American companies in China are starting to worry about cyber attacks aimed at stealing their corporate secrets. It's taking longer and longer for projects to be approved. And technology companies in particular find themselves excluded from lucrative areas of the network build-out in financial services and telecommunications. It's starting to look to some American companies as though President Xi is rowing back on China's reform and opening program, a project that was launched by Deng Xiaoping back in the late 1970s. There's an awful lot riding on this. Bilateral trade last year was worth almost $600 billion. To improve on that, both countries are going to need to cooperate, think of business less in terms of strategic rivalry. In Seattle, President Xi's job will be to persuade the executives he meets that as president, he means business. Given his track record, that's going to be a tough sell. But the future of US-China relations to a considerable degree will depend on it.